Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to wish you a warm welcome to another episode of Rambling of an Analyst. Anyway, in today's episode, we're going to look at some of the peer-to-peer platform which I've invested in. We're going to look at some of the results and we're going to compare it with the results that we got from the robo-advisory platforms. And we will try to figure out what should one do at the end of the episode. So over here, this is the first peer-to-peer platform which I've invested in. It's called Fundaztic. So over here we can see that the account balance is about 1,800, right? And just want to show you guys something. In terms of the amounts which I put in this particular platform, it is as much as 2,330. So overall, I have lost money in this platform. Once clicking at the portfolio performance, they give me a bunch of, numbers. Really, to be very honest, I'm an equity guy. Don't quite understand what it's trying to tell me. Yeah, I can actually pretend to tell you guys what I think it is, but chances are you guys will know that I have no idea what I'm talking about. But overall, in this particular platform, I have lost some money, about 500 ringgit. So let's move on to the other peer-to-peer platform. Okay, so the next platform which I've invested my money in is funding societies. Over here, we can see that I have invested as much as 4,040 ringgit and the portfolio performance is 10.52%. I have no idea what this amount is. I don't think my 4,000 became 26,000 ringgit based on a 10% per annum return. I think I've invested in this platform for about 2-3 years already. But okay, let's look at the performance. This is a bunch of numbers. If you guys can understand what's happening, good for you guys. I guess I'm putting this page for you guys' benefit, especially if you guys are a fixed income investor. I guess the overall number that we can kind of look at is returns of 10.52%. So I'd like to thank you for watching this particular video. I know I didn't put that much of research in it. I think one of the reasons why I'm going to sell all of my peer-to-peer lending platform positions. So I know this episode has been a bit off the wall. So I guess to conclude, what I want to tell you guys, which I think is true for me, is that when I invest in asset classes which I have no idea what it is, you can kind of see that I've lost a little bit of money and I don't even know why I lost that money. In any case, I was just going to test this particular platform and I wanted to see how it is. It already has been about 2 or 3 years since I invested in these platforms and the results, not the most attractive. When compared to, the robo-advisories, which I've talked about, that gave us returns in the teens regions. And if you look at my stock portfolio, some of them already made returns of almost 55% in a matter of 3 or 4 months. So with that, guys, I would like to thank you so very much for watching this particular episode and hope to see you in the next episode.